Welcome to Important Documents Module 4, Passport Cards. A passport card satisfies the purpose of proving the holder's identity and citizenship status just like a passport booklet does. However, it is only valid for traveling abroad by land or sea. This includes entering or exiting the United States through land border crossings or seaports of entry from Canada, Mexico, the Caribbean, and Bermuda. Passport cards were created primarily for the purpose of ease of travel to nearby countries for U.S. citizens. Passport cards are the size of a credit card or driver's license and contain your photo, legal name, nationality, birth date, place of birth, issue and expiration dates, and your individual passport card number. If you travel to any of the countries where a passport card is accepted for entry or exit often, it may be more convenient for you to use a card instead of a booklet. Passport cards can easily fit in a wallet and are substantially less expensive. To apply for a passport card, you must fill out and submit the same form used to apply for a passport booklet, Form DS-11. If you already have a valid U.S. passport booklet and would like to get a card too, you can print out Form DS-82 and apply by mail as long as your booklet is undamaged and was issued when you were 16 or older and within the last 15 years. The only difference is that the price is lower when applying for a passport card. In conclusion, passport cards serve the same purpose as passport booklets. A passport card is only valid for travel by land or sea to Canada, Mexico, the Caribbean, and Bermuda, and passport cards are smaller than booklets and less expensive.